Hello, Braintree Public Schools. Today's question is, how do you grade an assignment within Google Classroom? So we're going to go to my U.S. History Block 4 class. And now that we're here, I created a sample assignment. Now Google immediately tells me that only one student has actually turned in this assignment. We're going to look at it anyway. So we're going to click on that assignment. And when you're grading an assignment, it basically breaks the page into two parts. The right side has all of your students and all of the work they have or have not done. The left side, it just lists their names, and then you give them a grade. So we're going to first look at work. Now on the right side, I only have one student that's done work, so I'm going to organize these names by students that have done work. So I only have one student. I'm going to click on this student's work. They turned in 2 assignments. I'm going to click on this one, and here we go. Now their assignments here, I can look at it, and just like it's basically just a Google Doc. I can highlight part of the document. I can go up to comments, click comments again, leave a comment. This is great. I can even go into suggestive mode. Right now it's in editing mode. And if I go into suggestive mode, now all of a sudden I can come in here and be like, I'm going to suggest you erase this because this is terrible. Now it's not going to erase it. It's just a suggestion. But the key to this mode is the student can come in here and simply click the check mark or the X to implement my suggestion. So that's another option. So at this point, you can also go up to File when you're looking at these assignments and go under Revision History and check out how their work progressed. Did they just cut and paste it from somewhere else? Did you give them feedback, and then did they implement the feedback? You can see what they did. Right now, they've only done a minimal amount of work. But on a regular assignment that's somewhat large, this can be a very useful tool for teachers to have. So now that I've looked at their work, I've given them feedback, I've given them comments, I've assessed them, I can now click back to the tab and I can be confident that I'm going to give them a grade. Now this is out of 100 points. I could change that to, let's say, 50 points. And then that will update the assignment. I can also put in 50 points here. They did a really good job. Now once you grade them, they still can't see that. So what you need to do is you need to go all the way up. They turned in the assignment. It's now your job to return the assignment. Now you can return any number of students. You just go on the left and click which students you want to return their assignments to, or you can click all. Either way, once you ask to return it, they'll be able to see your comments, your grade, and so on. Now you have graded an assignment in Google Classroom. Now there is one other thing you can do. Within this, you can go up to Settings, and you have a few options. You can click Copy All Grades to Google Sheets. This will immediately put all of their grades in a nice organized package in a Google Sheet, basically an Excel. Or you can download these grades into a CSV file, which can directly be put into Excel if you prefer to use that. So that's how you grade a Google assignment. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments of this video or email me directly. Thank you.